Well, hello there, lovelies. It's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. I am so excited about this tutorial. I am like, every once in a while, do you ever just get in that zone where you just want to keep creating? I have had one of those days. I've been working on lots of different projects, and there is a project that I've been wanting to do for a while, but I was just kind of waiting for the perfect color story. And today is finally that day because we just dropped a new batch of dyed wood flowers, and I don't know what it is. I'm staring at the flowers over there. I don't know what it is about this particular color story, but I was instantly like, that's the color story I needed for this project. It is going to be, I really, really hope all of my like magical, like everything that's in my head, I really, really, really hope this comes together. So let's talk about the project, the vibe, and I will show you the flowers that inspired this all. Okay, so it all started when I saw this at the good old Hoblob. That does have a thing so you can sit on it, but it also has something so that you can hang it. And I thought this is perfect for a seating chart is my idea. But of course, we're not gonna do just like put our, no, of course not. Then I found at the good old $1.25 store, it's nothing's $1 anymore, these frames. And I was like, those as a gallery wall would be perfect. But that's not all. I wanted for sure to have a book theme kind of going on, as well as like forest cottage magic with a bunch of moss and things. And I originally was gonna go in a more lighter color story, a little bit more of a spring-ish vibe. But then these flowers were delivered to me. Maggie sent me the new batch of flowers, and instantly I gasped and went, oh, those are the flowers. So let me introduce you to, I believe we're gonna call it Jeweled Forest. And I just love it. I hope you guys love this too. And hopefully when you see it, you're not like, Stephanie, you went crazy over that? Yes. Yes, I did. So let me show you these flowers. So here is our plan of action. We're going to paste paper onto this. We are then going to put our picture frames, potentially a 3D. I'm debating a little shelf somewhere for maybe a candle or two. Still thinking about that. And then we will cover this all in flowers and moss. I am so excited about this. I'm gonna go pop on a movie and I'm gonna put my butt on the floor, I think, here in the studio for a little while and just get to work instead of laying it downward. Yeah, I've got a lot of, I've got my work ahead of me, but I think this is gonna be really good. I'm very excited about this. Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Not only did I did not break one, not two, but 3 of these little, whatever, scrapey things. And my glue scraper that I usually use is for much smaller projects. So this was kind of an insanity moment. So I'm grabbing a paintbrush first, and then I will go over again, maybe clean up the edges with my glue scraper. I don't think so. I think this is, we're at a better spot now. Yes, we are at a better spot and I'm no longer questioning my life choices. All right, so now we're gonna start laying down our paper. Oh gosh. I hope that's not like a precursor to what the heck is about to happen. Hey there, lovelies. So my camera battery died and it was also very late at night. So we needed to let everything dry. But also, while I was waiting for it all to dry and the battery to charge, I decided to keep working on the project. Whoops. So that's what's going on right here. We get all of the paper on to the board, let that dry, sanded off the edges of all of the paper, and then figured out the placement and glued the frames on. So let me show you where we're at. This is where we're at. Isn't it just the cutest? Oh, I love it so much. So my thought is like around this area will be some sort of like maybe a little same, but maybe not. This might just be tons of flowers here. I remember saying something about maybe putting a shelf with a candle. If I was, this probably would be the only place. Let me see. I think I have a candle handy. Maybe. Yeah, okay, I have a candle handy. Sort of. I don't think it's gonna work the way I want it to. Let's see. One-handed opening up candle. Look at these cute candles. Got these at the Target dollar spot. It's still in its wrapper, but like if we, I don't know, make a little shelf, but it would be on a pillar, so it would be standing. No. Decisions. Because if I had one, do you think we could also get a second one? Maybe down at the bottom? And that might be... Oh, son of a... Maybe. I'm gonna think about it just a little bit more. But in the meantime, as I think about it, I'm going to start filling in moss around the different frames. Wouldn't this be really cute too? This could be so many different things. This could be a seating chart. This could be pictures, birthday parties, wedding, engagement part, like all sorts of things. Graduations. You could do so many different things with something like this. and display all sorts of different things. It doesn't have to be a seating chart, but that's what we're gonna do for now, I think. I don't know. I'm still even debating if I'm gonna write anything on these, because I was going to just take a painter's pen and fill in stuff, but I don't know. I don't know if I will. We'll have to see. I'm still deciding, but it's so pretty. So I don't know yet. I don't know yet, but we're gonna start working on the moss next. I'm just really loving this project. I think it's gonna be so cute. Maybe we will try to get those candles on there just to make it a little extra something. I also was originally thinking about staining the edges and making it a little bit darker, but the book pages I was working with already had a little bit of a patina to them, so I don't think it's necessary for this one. Also, if I did this again, I think the Mod Podge I have is gloss. You can get a matte finish too. I'd probably do a matte finish. I'm not loving the gloss, but I'm not hating it either. It is what it is. So, all right, let's get to decorating this thing a little bit more and zhuzhing it up even more. Oh, so dang cute, isn't it? you guys, there is the finished project. I think you could use this for so many different things. It could be a seating chart, it could be a picture wall of sorts. It could have like, say you have like a whole different range of cupcakes or something and have all of the flavors listed. So many different options. I'm obsessed with this. I'm trying to figure out how I can keep this up all year round because it's just so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, especially if you have tips on, no, that was the last video. Never mind. I'm still searching for really sour gummy candies. So we'll just bring that back because apparently that's on the top of my mind. So leave me a comment down below on that if you want, or anything about the project. If you're loving this channel, can't get enough, want to know the next time we post a video, which is typically on Wednesdays, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to find out about the 150 style wood flowers, craft supplies, and greenery going over to ohyourlovely.com. But before you do, I have something for you. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off one regular priced order. All right, you guys have a lovely, lovely day. I'll see you super soon. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely. You, my friends, absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.